Okay, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I guess I should stop saying welcome back, huh? Anyway, this video is going to be an updated toolbox tour of my snap-on box. The other updated toolbox tour was my Matco box. I'll probably change the title on it to let you know that that was the Matco box. This is the snap-on box. But anyway, I changed stuff around. I got stuff and put in here, and I sold stuff. So I just thought you'd want to see it. Anyway, let's get into it. Alright, now we're going to start over here on the small side. This drawer is the same, just got cleaning brushes in it. This drawer is a little bit different. It had motorcycle tools in it, engine building tools and stuff. I had two of these. These are for piston rings, installing rings on the pistons. I let one of them go with the motorcycle tools that I sold. Now I sold my newer tools, and some of the tools I didn't even use yet because they were so new. But anyway, empty drawer. This had the more engine building tools for motorcycles. Let me see if I can get a key to that. I don't have a key to it. But empty drawers means what? Room for more tools, right? This drawer is oil change stuff. It hasn't changed. This drawer was motorcycle tools, and now it's just a tire repair kit. This drawer hasn't changed. It's brake bleeding stuff. Air operated one back there, and these two here are Mighty Vac kits, the hand pump kind. Okay. As you can see, I forgot to mention that Super Clean sent me this stuff. A box of this stuff, and a shirt and a hat to review. And Big Wipes sent me a thing of their Big Wipes, or their wipes, hand cleaner wipes. I still need to do a review on, but I haven't had anything to use the stuff on yet. I have used the Big Wipes a little bit. Without getting into it too much, I'm going to save it for the video. I don't really like them as much as I like the Tubbo towels. Anyway, top drawer. Now I believe the last time you seen this drawer, it had hammers and claw hammers and household type stuff, crowbars and stuff. They're down in one of the other drawers now. This is electrical stuff. Wire crimpers, strippers, cutters, all that kind of stuff. And the insulated screwdrivers from Weehaw. Awesome tools. Awesome. There's my torque screwdriver and my other little insulated screwdriver set. Here's all the bits from both kits. I put them in this plastic container here, and I took them out of that pouch thing they came in because they just took up too much room. They was too big, plus folded up they're too tall to be in this drawer, so I would have to put them in a big deep drawer, and that's wasted space to use a big deep drawer for that. But anyway, and like I said, you can see I got two of these. Some of the stuff I had two of because, like I've already said in my other videos, I think it was in my Matco toolbox tour, or it might have been this one, the original toolbox tour of this one, that I have two of a lot of stuff because I had one at work, I had one at home, because I did work at home too. And I didn't want to carry them back and forth. Okay, here is, this thing keeps hitting the dang thing and flopping open and pissing me off. Alright, anyway, Maybe I'll edit that part out. You've already seen most of this stuff when I did a video of it, when I got the U-scope from AES Wave. There's the package that came with it. But, you know, like the leads and everything was all in that one video. I just wanted to show you it in the toolbox. Now these two here are new. This one is an Astro test light. I think I just messed it up. And as you can see, this one's an OTC. Like I said, I had Craftsman. The Craftsman one wasn't a digital one. It was just like this one that lights up red. It was just one big one and one small one like this. But the cord started getting white stuff all over it and got brittle, and every time you move it, it would just crack open and you can see the wire. Kind of like this stuff back here. I need to see if I can get this off. I don't know if you can see that very good. You see that white stuff all over the cord, the red cord, and it's even starting to get on the black one. Kind of like that, and you just touch it and it would just break. In fact, kind of looks like it's trying to break right there. Maybe them are going to do that too. They're just as old as the Craftsman test lights that I had, so maybe they're going to break too. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I can use the big wipes to get that stuff off. That kind of sucks. Not related to this video or the toolbox, updated toolbox store, but I had a piston hammer for installing pistons into a block, engine block, from Matco. It's kind of like a dead blow hammer, but one side was long, you know. And it did the same thing. It got that white stuff on it. Maybe just from sitting in the drawer. I don't know. But I picked it up one day and the handle on it just crumbled apart. And yeah, I probably could have warrantied it out since it was a Matco, but it pissed me off, so I threw it in the garbage. I didn't want to deal with Matco anyway. But anyway, let's get on with this. Wait a second. I seen something over there. There's my coffee. Gotta have my coffee. Hold on. Man, that's good. I should be using my cup, shouldn't I? My merch cup. It's in there dirty. Next drawer. More electrical stuff. So that's 3 drawers so far of electrical stuff, in case you're keeping count. There's my breakout box. I bet a lot of people don't even know what that is right there. Heat gun, remote start switch, soldering stuff, and my voltmeter. I did a video on this. It's not great. It's not a fluke. As you can see, it's Klein. It's not as good as a fluke, but it does the job. It does what I need it to do. There's some extra leads that I got right there from other meters. And there's my Power Probe 3. That's an excellent tool right there, if you know how to use it. You can't send power on certain circuits. You'll screw stuff up. There's my torch. Speaking of that, where I used to work, one of the other master techs was using that on some, I think he was using a power probe. He was probing something on the airbag system and screwed up and probed the wrong wire or sent power to it or something, and blew every one of the airbags in that vehicle all at the same time. I think there was like 5 or 6 airbags that popped on him while he was in the vehicle. I was on vacation when it happened, but they say that it scared him so bad he pooped his pants. He had to go home. Anyway, I thought you'd like to hear that. That was kind of funny. But that's why I say you got to know how to use that. Don't send power on certain circuits. Next drawer. Uh-oh. It's empty. We're going to have to fix that. Got to buy some more tools, right? Room for improvement. And like I said, this is the stuff that was up in that top drawer. When I originally put that stuff in that top drawer, I put all this stuff over here in this cabinet. I may do a video on what all's in the cabinet. I don't know if people would like to see that or not. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. Anyway, since I got rid of the motorcycle tools, I put it all back over here. That way it don't take up space in my cabinet. That back there is a tire spoon for changing tires off, getting tires off a rim on motorcycles. Well, I guess you could use it for anything, but that's what I used it for, was for motorcycles. I only used it a couple times. It's fairly new. This drawer hasn't changed. This is just bushing drivers, seal drivers. I think that's from Lyle, a U-joint tool. I haven't had a chance to use that yet. I haven't had to replace any U-joints. I think I did these, or showed these in one of my other videos, but I don't know if anybody's ever seen these before. These are seal drivers. They're from Snap-on. These are pretty cool. I've had them for a long time. I don't even know if Snap-on even still has those or sells those. And those there are just windshield washer nozzles. Because when I bought the truck, they told me, hey, we have some parts in for you that was ordered for your truck before you bought it. Because I bought it used. It had 18,000 miles on it when I bought it. Come on in and we'll install them for you. So I go all the way up there to Georgia to do it, and they give me a runaround, didn't want to put them on. I said, just give them to me, I'll put them on myself. Well, when I took the little hood pad, whatever it's called, off, it wasn't those that was, they said they was clogged or messed up or something. All it was a little elbow on the corner, the end, the passenger side washer nozzle was blown off. All I had to do is just stick it, reconnect it, and they work fine. It may blow off again, I don't know, but it didn't need washer nozzles, that's for sure. Anyway, this drawer here, little Mac Tools code reader, generic code reader, another Mac Tools one, and one down there. I don't know if I can get to the name of it or not. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, you can see it. That's a code reader too. My wife won that on Amazon when Amazon actually did giveaways. I don't know if anybody knew about that, but they did used to give stuff away. You could win stuff. And of course there's my Autel. Yeah, it's upside down, but the handle's right here where I can get to it instead of reaching back there to get it. Everybody's already seen that. I did a video on that. Now I want to get the full drawer cart from service cart from Harbor Freight to make an electrical slash diag cart, or diag slash electrical cart. I've had other YouTubers tell me that I'm stupid for wanting to do that. That cart's too big. You ain't gonna be able to fill it up. Whatever. All the other comments that you can imagine, they said it. I'm an idiot. But This is one drawer, and there's 3 drawers there, right? So that's 4 drawers. That cart's only got 6 drawers. I want to put, I'll probably put that case with, you know, with all the adapters and everything in it, in the bottom big drawer of that cart, like it is here. I want to put the scan tool itself up in the top when you open the lid. So that, I mean, there's only 2 other drawers, right? 6 drawers. This is already filled up 4. And I have some stuff over there, and sorry about it, don't get sick. In my Matco box, this diag stuff that I could put in it, in the service cart to help fill it up. But they're telling me that I'll never be able to fill it up. That box, that full drawer service cart from Matco is too big. You're an idiot. About all you need is Harbor Freight's 4 drawer cart for a diag cart. Well, let me show you. That service cart from Harbor Freight is 34 inches. That's the whole cart, not the drawers, the whole cart. And as you can see, I'm measuring from the drawer. This drawer is 35.5. So this drawer, the drawers, not the box, the drawers are bigger than that cart. Which means everything that's in these drawers, if you got a packed drawer, ain't gonna fit in that service cart, in one of their drawers. You have to use like 2 drawers. So I won't have a problem filling that cart up with diag stuff and electrical stuff. I mean, has anybody ever seen the Snap-on diag cart? It's a 6 drawer cart, isn't it? It's about basically the same size as the Harbor Freight one, except for it's Snap-on. And I think it even has a place where you can put a TV on the back, the lid when it's open. I don't know why anybody would say you'll never fill it up. That's too big of a cart for a diag cart. But you know how it is. Everybody's got to run their mouth and say all their crap. I don't know if it's jealousy or they think they know more than you, or they're better than you, or what. I don't get it. But whatever. I'm getting about tired of hearing it, to be honest with you. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this. Sorry about the little rant there for a second, but hope you liked it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.